This free tutorial will show you how to compound footage in Capcut Mobile online completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to compound a clip or footage in Capcut Mobile is to open up the app. In this case, I'm using iPhone, but this works for the Android as well. Video project right here. See, video clip or footage that we want to compound. A couple ways to do this. You can go right here and click this plus icon. Basically, you can locate and add another video clip footage that you would like to compound, and then click add. Basically, what this did just added another video clip to the right. Fortunately, in Capcut Mobile, you can't click and highlight clips. Only selects an individual. So in this case, we're going to go to the bottom hand screen and click delete. Go back to the beginning. When I click the video, it selects and highlights and it's color blue. Click right here. As you can see, now not selected, and we have this option, the magical button of options, add overlay. In Capcut, we'll do the same exact thing. You can click and locate a video clip. Basically, like to compound the footage. Notice that we have the same video clip. In this case, we have video layer number 2, basically overlaid on top. I'm gonna adjust this accordingly. Basically, now if we click our second video layer clip and we want to compound this to 1, as you can see, it's overlaid. I'm big on the right on Capcut Mobile. So we find this option as opacity right here, next to reverse and next to stabilize. I'm just going to adjust the opacity and create this effect. So say this is how you compound a video clip or footage in Capcut Mobile in one video clip and completely for free. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.